A dog has been reunited with his owners almost 5 years after being stolen when a video of him wandering the streets of London was sent to his owners. Scampy, a Cocker Spaniel, was spotted in the capital, almost 210 kilometers away from his home in Radstock, Somerset, reports The Sun. Scampy's extremely emotional owner, Nicola Phillips, explained that the pooch, who was unshipped, was stolen in August 2013 after a van was spotted outside their house. Nicola immediately took to Facebook to set up a Bring Scampy Home page in the hopes of finding her beloved brown and white spaniel. Miraculously, after 5 years of searching, earlier this week she was sent a video of a dog who fitted Scampy's description and who reacted as soon as his name was called when found wandering around Islington, North London. Upon finally being reunited with her pet, Nicola shared her relief. "Scampy is home after 5 years and we will be eternally grateful to everyone involved," she said. "I am in total shock as never imagined after 5 years of being gone we would ever see him again. We are all extremely emotional right now, but thanks to everyone for your kind messages and thoughts." Her posts have received more than 1,000 likes and hundreds of comments from well-wishers around the world. Writing from the United States, Julia Dolan said, "OMG, I've been following from America, and this has made my week. This is so great, so glad Scampy is with his family again." Another response from Karen Skinner said, "Congratulations. This story has an amazing ending. It really has made me cry tears of happiness for a change. Scampy, you enjoy being back with your loving family. Well done to all involved. What an incredible story." This article originally appeared on The Sun and has been republished here with permission.